India to sign deal with France for 26 Rafale, 3 submarine and establishment of Rafale Maintenance Center in Uttar Pradesh of India. Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, Chief of the Indian Navy, announced during a press conference that a defense agreement with France is expected to be signed by January 2025. The agreement includes the acquisition of 26 Rafale-M naval fighter jets and the constructing of 3 additional Scorpene-class submarines, as reported by Financial Express. This collaboration reflects the growing strategic relationship between New Delhi and Paris, aimed at addressing increasing security challenges in the Indo-Pacific region, marked by China's maritime expansion and Pakistan's naval activities. Admiral Tripathi emphasized the importance of this agreement in a context where India closely monitors naval movements in the Indian Ocean. China's maritime ambitions, supported by research and satellite tracking vessels, as well as its military collaborations with Pakistan, necessitate India's efforts to enhance its fleet and maintain strategic balance in this critical region. India began incorporating Rafale fighter jets into its arsenal in 2016 after signing a contract with France for 36 aircraft for the Indian Air Force, IAF. Deliveries commenced in 2019 and concluded in 2022. These aircraft, designed for various missions such as air superiority, defense, and deep strikes, have proven effective within the IAF. In July 2023, India approved the purchase of 26 Rafale-M naval variants to equip its aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, with the agreement expected to be finalized in the coming months. The Rafale-M is optimized for maritime operations, featuring a reinforced structure and landing gear tailored for catapult launches and deck landings. Powered by 2 SNECMA M88-2 engines, it can achieve speeds exceeding Mach 1.8 and has a combat radius of over 1,850 kilometers, equipped with advanced weaponry such as Meteor air-to-air missiles, Scalp-G cruise missiles, and Exocet anti-ship missiles. It is versatile enough to conduct diverse missions, including air defense and deterrence. The aircraft also incorporates cutting-edge technologies like the RBE-2 AESA radar and the Spectra electronic warfare system, ensuring precise threat detection and robust defensive capabilities. Since 2005, India has relied on Scorpene submarines to strengthen its underwater capabilities. Built locally at Mazagon Dock Limited, MDL, in Mumbai under the P-75 program, these submarines represent a key collaboration between India and Naval Group. The first unit, INS Kalvari, was commissioned in December 2017, followed by 5 additional deliveries, completed by 2021. These diesel-electric submarines, equipped with MESMA air-independent propulsion, AIP, provide extended underwater endurance and enhanced stealth. Since 2005, India has relied on Scorpene submarines to strengthen its underwater capabilities. Built locally at Mazagon Dock Limited, MDL, in Mumbai under the P-75 program, these submarines represent a key collaboration between India and Naval Group. The first unit, INS Kalvari, was commissioned in December 2017, followed by 5 additional deliveries, completed by 2021. These diesel-electric submarines, equipped with MESMA air-independent propulsion, AIP, provide extended underwater endurance and enhanced stealth. Scorpene submarines feature 6 NATO standard 533 mm torpedo tubes capable of deploying up to 18 heavy torpedoes, SM-39 Exocet anti-ship missiles, or mines. They offer advanced detection and defense capabilities integrated with Subtix combat systems and Thales S-Cube sonar. In July 2023, India expressed its intention to acquire 3 additional Scorpene submarines with increased indigenous components to bolster its submarine fleet in response to evolving Indo-Pacific challenges. Thanks for watching.